Good morning. I love it when all my critters come to eat. There's a chipmunk. I don't usually get to catch Chippy. There he goes. He's so fast. There's the squirrels. There's the doves. And if you listen, there's the bird song. There's that squirrel. Where you going, baby? Where you going with that? Everybody's happy. It's a beautiful day out here. There's a little squirrel. Do you hear the bird song? Listen. Watch that baby. Listen to the birds. Here we go. Have a blessed day. I particularly send this out to a friend of mine, Stephen. I love you. I love all of you. Shalom.